students, hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, Introduction to Trigonometry Part 5, we will learn to find values of trigonometric ratios of 0 degree and 90 degree geometrically. Before watching this video, make sure that you have watched all the previous videos on Introduction to Trigonometry. Let us first find trigonometric ratios of 0 degree. For that, we draw a right angle triangle ABC in which angle B is 90 and angle C is theta. As students, we have learnt in our previous video, sine, it is ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse, and for theta, we have perpendicular AB and hypotenuse AC. Cos theta, it is ratio of base and hypotenuse, and for theta, base is BC and hypotenuse is AC. And tan theta, it is perpendicular by base, that is tan theta equals to AB by BC. Now, to find trigonometric ratios of 0 degree, we have to make this theta 0. For that, we need to decrease theta gradually. In doing so, we find that this point A moves closer to the point B. Let us see here, theta, it decreases and the point A moves towards the point B. Further, on decreasing theta, we see the point A moves further towards point B. And when theta almost becomes equals to 0 degree, the point A coincides with point B. Therefore, for theta equals to 0 degree, we take this length AB for theta equals to 0 becomes 0, and the length AC, it becomes equals to BC. Now we find sine 0, cos 0 and tan 0 by putting theta 0 in this trigonometric ratio. We get sine 0 equals to, for theta 0 we have AB 0 and by AC. So sine 0 is 0. Cos theta, we have BC by AC. Now replace theta by 0. We get cos 0 equals to BC and divided by, for theta equals to 0, we have AC equals to BC. So we replace AC by BC and therefore we get cos 0 equals to 1. And tan 0, it is equals to AB, it is 0 and by BC, that is tan 0 equals to 0. Now we know that cosec, it is reciprocal of sine, therefore cosec 0, it is reciprocal of sine 0, that is not defined. Sec 0, it is reciprocal of cos 0, that is reciprocal of 1, so sec 0 is 1. And cot 0, it is reciprocal of tan 0, and tan 0 is 0. So we get cot 0 equals to 1 by 0, that is not defined. In this way, we get values of trigonometric ratios of 0 degree. Now we find trigonometric ratios of 90 degree. Again, we draw a right angle triangle ABC in which angle B is 90 and we take angle C theta. We have sine theta in this triangle, AB by AC, cos theta equals to BC by AC, and tan theta equals to AB by BC. Now to find trigonometric ratios of 90 degree. This theta has to be increased. For that, theta needs to be increased gradually. In doing so, we need to move the point C closer to point B. When the point C moves towards the point B, we find that theta increases, and when the point C almost coincides with B, theta becomes 90 degree. Therefore, for theta equals to 90 degree, we get this length CB equals to 0, and the length AC, it coincides with AB, that is AC equals to AB. Therefore, we find sine 90. On replacing theta by 90 degree in sine theta, we get sine 90 equals to, for theta 90, AB and AC are equal. So we get sine 90 equals to AB by AB, that is 1. Cos 90, it is equals to, for theta equals to 90, we have BC. BC equals to 0 by AC equals to 0. And tan 90, it is equals to AB, and by BC for theta equals to 90, it is 0, and AB by 0 is not defined. Now we can find cosec, sec and cot by their reciprocals. Cosec 90, it is reciprocal of sine 90, that is reciprocal of 1. So we get cosec 90 1. Sec 90, it is reciprocal of cos 90, and reciprocal of cos 90 is 1 by 0, that is not defined. So we find sec 90 not defined. And at the last, cot 90. Cot 90 is reciprocal of tan 90. And tan 90 we have got not defined, that is infinity. So cot 90 is 1 by infinity, and 1 by infinity is 0. In this way, we get trigonometric ratios of 90 degree. Thank you students. Thank you for watching. Today जो है वो video. Keep watching, keep learning. Thank you. Goodbye. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.